Hello friends, I'm Moom and today we are diving in the fantastic world of Linux again. And today I have some really amazing Dotfiles aka Linux customizations and rices for Linux setup. And most of them are really amazing for low-end PCs. Literally amazing. So it doesn't matter if you have 4 GB RAM, 2 GB RAM and even 1 GB RAM. Because there are some which actually run in MBs. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now this is a repository from Lokesh Krishna who has created amazing dot files. And starting with, let's just have an overview of what are all the awesome customizations. We have peak poetry, leak, beneath the surface, really elegant. Pastel themes, amazing for hyperland users. Cotton candy, something I like. Then we have Sakura, for minimalistic Japanese enthusiasts. Then Fishing for the Stars, another maybe Hyperland or Sway. Then All I Want, okay, this is indeed serious. Then we have Solitude, as the name suggests, it is Solitude. And then the Nord desktop, the most simple, minimal and elegant one. Now let's start with Beat Poetry. As the name suggests, and I believe, the overall design focuses on productivity in my opinion. With the taskbar in the bottom left, not the bottom left, literally left of the monitor. It uses Hyperland with Weber and the screenshots are pretty okay, especially with the Neo Fetch and then Busy, and even the browser Firefox also looks good along with Man. And then we have Zathura as well. And then Spotify. Everything is customized specifically to the theme in this customization. And then you have AnyRun as application launcher. Leak. Man, I will say one thing. I like the lock screen way more than the desktop. So yep, it is a Hyperland setup. Now let's go to the second one, which is my personal favorite. Beneath the surface. With a dock at the monitor left along with a really nice space for productivity at the center. It uses Hyperland and Weber just like that, but it has Rofi as application launcher. Now the fetch is way better in my opinion here. And as we can see, everything is customized to the last bit thanks to him. And then the browser, man, browser looks way better. And new Vim as well. Not to forget Zathura here. Okay, I will say, this is the best Spotify customization I have seen yet. And as I said, Rofi is pretty minimal and sleek. Why? This person actually makes these lock screens amazing. Okay then, now let's go to the next one, Pastel Jeans. For those users who love aesthetics. Now this is made on Sway. I knew it was made on Sway. Along with Weber, let's see. The overall desktop is pretty clean. Fetch is just as expected, aesthetic, and so is Busy. But the browser is not so good in my opinion. But NeoVim is. And Zathura is also looking okay. And Spotify is okay, I will say, like those users who love the overall theme of aestheticism, then it will be good. And then again, a beautiful lock screen. And next we have Cotton Candy, another my favorite one. Actually, this is indeed a favorite one. I literally want this wallpaper. So this is also made on Sway with Weber and Wofi. This is the desktop with a really nice Weber dockish taskbar, but this one actually looks good. Then we have NeoFetch, Busy, Browser, NeoVim. Like, it's not so colorful, it's way too dark and I don't like that dark. Like, as you can see, Mincharo's dark is pretty okay. But not this one. Like, not so much. And let's go to the second one. We have Sakura for Japanese anime enthusiasts and minimalistic enthusiasts as well. Again, Sway plus Weber plus Wofi. We have NeoFetch, nice. Busy, same as the one before. Browser, same. NeoVim, not so same but still. I don't like this dark theme overall, it's not that good. Like yes, for minimalistic enthusiasts, yes it is good but not so much. Now let's start with some awesome ones. Fishing for the Stars. First we have the desktop which is clean with a similar dash plus taskbar setup in the bottom. Then Busy, looking good. Notifications, nice. Music, where is music? Maybe this is a Spotify theme, I don't know how. Firefox, finally a normal original Firefox. And then Swinag, are you sure you want to shut down your device? Swinag is like an alert manager. When I just, want to, well, what can I say, power off the device, it will give me a prompt. Whether I want to or not, that's the thing. Then system info, Wi-Fi, Zathura. I will say this one was way better than the last three. Now let's go to the next one. All I want. And this is another one. Like, it's based on Node, but it is good. In action, yes, it is nice. With the tiling window management, nice. The Thura, good. Wi-Fi, similar. Marco is this here, the alert manager. Then Firefox, nice. And then Kava, and I don't know what this is. Well, this is a music player for what I know. Then Neomut. Well, Neomut is more like, how can I say, sort of a file manager, which runs completely in the terminal. I like it. And then Vinag, same. Then again, another amazing lock screen. And an alternative one, this is literally giving me the feelings of Game of Thrones. And now let's go to the second last, Solitude. And sort of, I am in Solitude right now, so yeah, I like this. System information, clean. In action, really nice, way better than the last four. The Thura, clean. Proper managed, I'd say. Ro-Fi, nice. Dunst, there, nice. Firefox, simple, yeah. Kava and that music player looking good. And the same but amazing lock screen. Like, where is he getting these amazing lock screens? And then at last we have the official Nord desktop. Now, for those users who just want a Nordic desktop without any problem, just plug and play, that sort of stuff, for them it's pretty nice. Like, as you can see, NeoFetch, just like the Nord variant but better, along with in-action fields, Zathura, Ro-Fi, and what this? Dunst and color scripts, nice. Firefox, nice. And then that music player and Kava, okay. And an i3 clock, okay. And the simple Arch Linux Nordic wallpaper. Now, in conclusion, the Dotfiles from Lokesh Krishna, they were amazing. Like, a single person creating so many Dotfiles, man, this is appreciable. And that is why here today, I'm reviewing his Dotfiles on my channel because he he deserves this appreciation. And yeah, sorry, but I might go in everywhere and grab all the wallpapers for my own setup. Sorry, but yeah, I will do that. Now, the link of this repository is in the description from where you can install any one of them if you want to. And subscribe for more awesome tech videos uploaded on this channel daily. Well, it's not done yet, is it? It feels not so good. So let me just show you a place from where you can have a lot of other amazing Dotfiles as well. This is the GitHub Dotfiles from UnixPorn, the official version. These are like the rankers, the best. You have seen all of these somewhere in my videos. So let's just explore this website a little more. For example, let's start with this one. This is an XSC customization which uses Tokyo Night color scheme along with, that. But this is indeed looking good. Especially this. Yes, I accept it is looking good. And everything is here, like you just have to plug and play. Install the XSC desktop and then install this stuff and use these config files and other stuff to install it, just like that. Now let's go ahead and see what is this. This is Lokesh Krishna's. He is a ranker. Let's try this. I've had my eyes on this one for a long time. This is mf.files, a collection of personal files from him or her. It's an Arch-based OpenWalk configs. Good. So yeah, this is the one. This is it. The best out there of today. I'm sorry, Lokesh Krishna, but there is someone who has just created a little better. Like it's not your fault. It's like both of them have different niches and targeted people. But this person got me really accurately. Take a look at that. These stuff, and then the middle bar, and then this, and along with this particular wallpaper is just so clean and nice. And then the shadow from the top bar is good. And then he has multiple color schemes for Oblivion. And then how to install this one. Nice. Okay, this is indeed my personal favorite thing. And yeah, don't worry, all the links are in the description. So yeah, it's gonna be good. Man, this is looking good. I might end up installing this at the end of the day. Let's restart, shall we? And go ahead. Then we have a glass morphism as well. I have never ever tried glass morphism once in my life, unless I was given it out of the box. Let's see. This is an i3 with PyCom compositor, and this is glass morphism. New fetch is looking pretty nice. PyCom is the reason for the blur and small fading applications, and the wallpaper is here, but no. Let's see. Nice. Spotify is also looking nice along with VS Code, Discord. Yeah, but classmorphism was never my type. And then here are the best out there. But my favorite is from chocolate bread. Literally chocolate bread. I should try this one. Like, I really want to. Just take a look. A really nice monitor centered but left taskbar of a sort which works flawlessly like this with animations like these, and then the graphs of the resources along with, like, it is so it is crafted beautifully, perfectly in my opinion. Hey, what do you think? Should I install it? Yep, in the next video I am gonna install it. We'll try. Okay, no, okay, it's okay. Well, in my next video I will try it on a freshly installed art setup. Yeah, I will. I should try this one first on maybe VirtualBox? Yeah, maybe. Well, if you ask me, I can literally try it on Manjaro right now, but yeah, I'm a little but too afraid to try it on my main setup. Yes, I am afraid, but if it works, then I'm gonna definitely install this one. And yeah, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more awesome tech videos and Linux videos in particular uploaded daily on the channel, unless I am not so busy and occupied by something else. Then yeah, till then I'm home signing out.